Alright, so tonight we're coming to you live from the cockpit of the 340. I need some gas, as you might be able to tell here. My gas is just about quarter tank. And I'm also heading to the gym. So the time is 6:35. So let's get right into this video. But before, of course, you know the drill. Let's go for a ride. I know it has been a while. Like, to be honest, I was running into storage issues on my phone. So I went and bought a camera. I love creating content for you guys. I was definitely missing not being able to create videos and do these POV drives. So I'm happy that you're here. And we are back. We should have no further interruptions as regards the frequency in which you'll be receiving videos. And I definitely look forward to the channel growth in the next few months. So, as you can see, we have some snowy conditions today. And you know we love snow. Right now the traction is off. So once you see this light here, that's how you know it is off. I'm in Sport Plus, so the valves are opened. Let's quickly go over into manual mode, downshift. Let's roll my windows down a little bit, and I think you'll be able to hear the audio coming through a lot better because I'm also wearing a mic. So hopefully that should help. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting an exhaust, to be honest with you. Maybe not throughout the winter, but in terms of my long-term plan for the car, an exhaust is certainly looking like an option that I'll be going with. Before I was saying, the car sounds good enough stock, but I don't know. I was recently watching another YouTuber, so he has a 340i as well, and he installed an exhaust on his vehicle, and let me tell you, it is sounding extremely good. So the only thing is, oh, what's going on here? Okay, you can go, sir. So yeah, the only thing about the exhaust is that I would definitely need one with valves. There's no way I'm going to be riding around on a daily basis, just running errands, going to work, and having the car loud 100% of the time. I think that would give me a headache. But if I have the option to be obnoxious when I want, and then quickly tame it down with the valves, then by all means. But yeah, so that's some of the future plans for the car. Exhaust is now added to the list of stage 2 tune, XHP transmission tune, and from a performance perspective, I think that would be it. Now, as it regards to the cosmetics, in the summer I'll get back another front lip. I'll also add a rear spoiler lip, and just those little like M Performance style ones. It's not the high kick spoilers. I personally don't like those. And side skirts, I think the side skirt will give it that beefy, aggressive look on the sides. So whichever angle you're looking at the car, front, rear, or the sides, then it will have that aggressive look. What's going on here, fellas? Oh, look at this guy. It's really slippery. Really slippery. But the car is going sideways. And as you can see, I'm in 4th gear. And I'm still not doing like a full throttle, that's like quarter. And I'm already feeling the car drifting sideways. It's extremely powerful. But yeah, this is beautiful southern Ontario, where we're actually getting a decent amount of snow. Last year, during January, I think we might have had a few snow showers here and there, but it wasn't half as consistent as how it is now. So that's exciting. Even from an environmental perspective, and other businesses that thrive on the winter and on the snow, they are benefiting from this as well. But what we care about is that we're able to slide our cars. Thank you, sir. Yeah, we're able to slide our cars and have tons of fun in the snow. Let's take this corner here. I think I've really gotten used to driving in the snow. I'm much more confident with the turns that I'm taking, the amount of throttle input. Oh, watch this vehicle here. Whoa! What's going on? Are you good? Okay, let's hurry up and pass him. That's crazy. That's crazy. Can't believe I caught that on camera. But by the way how he was sliding, I can bet you any money that he doesn't have winter tires. Like, your drivetrain doesn't have to be the greatest. Even, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive vehicles, those grip really good with decent tires, unless it's a really, really high snow scenario. Then you're not gonna get stuck, or you're not gonna just be sliding about like that. So it's very important that you get good tires if you're driving in the winter. And honestly, this even applies to regular driving in the summer as well. Like, remember, it's the only contact between the vehicle and the ground. So in order to ensure that you are safe and your passengers are safe and other road users are safe, then getting good snow tires or good tires overall should be high on the priority list. I'm super excited for this content. So if you're wondering, I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to shoot these videos. I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and he has a Kia Stinger. He asked me if I turn traction control off when driving. So I said, yeah, it depends. I mean, if I want to have fun, sure. But otherwise, not so much. But for all of this journey, my traction control is off. Now, there's a really slippery part along this road that most times it's prone to like black ice and catches people off guard. So as I approach there, I'll try to be as careful as possible. And do you like to see the The sport display showing the horsepower and the torque. Yeah, so just right here before the lights, sometimes it gets really slippery. I remember once I was coming here in my older vehicle. I had a older Toyota and I could not get any grip. Just did a small drift there. It's crazy, even in fourth gear, you still have to be extremely careful. Alright, I think that's too much noise from the wind, so I'll roll up my windows. I'm approaching a roundabout up here and I want to be as safe as possible, so let's just stick to sport. So this still gives me traction. And there we have it. So the thing is, driving in sport, you're not gonna experience the same pull and surge even if you floor it, because it senses that you're not getting enough traction and will limit the amount of power that it makes available. Ooh, Costco is full as usual. I think I need to go inside as well and grab some stuff. Am I gonna get something? Maybe. But for right now, just gonna grab some gas. So I'll see you at the gas station. Gas today is 169.90. So that's good. Well, I think the last time I came here it was 166. So, it's alright. Alright, time to throw on my jacket and get some gas. Costco membership first. It's like 19. Let's get some sanitizer, boys. Gotta keep those hands clean. Alright, that was a cold one, boys. But thankfully we have heated steering, so my hands should warm up pretty quickly. So you have some guys that swap out these steerings for better looking steering wheels, but it doesn't retain that heated steering function. And that's just madness to me. Like, if you live up north, or at least if you live in Canada, I think it's more practical to have the steering wheel. But, I mean, that's just me. Everyone has their own set of priorities and what they consider important. But personally, I mean, if I could swap this out and keep the heated steering function, then that's a different conversation. But if I'm going to lose that function, hell no. No, sir. So right now we're on our way to the gym. It's not too far from here, to be honest. Let's hit the roundabout in comfort. See if we're gonna slide. No. See if we're gonna slide. Yep, a little bit, but well balanced. No problemo for the 340 X Drive. Pop it back into sport. Should I pass this guy? No, I'm gonna turn left up there soon. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, driving a vehicle that's rear-wheel drive biased is a much different experience in the snow. Alright, so I'm here at the gym. Well, I should probably try to get a thumbnail for you guys. Hold on. Let's go back here. It's kind of weak, to be honest.